Hey guys, welcome back to day 6 of the 7-day weight loss diet plan series. If you're new here, please check the previous videos on this diet plan series before starting on this plan. Links will be updated in the description box below the video. This diet plan for 7 days will help you to lose weight and change your lifestyle, give you more ideas on how to prepare home-cooked healthy food with easily available and inexpensive ingredients. So challenge yourself and start this refined sugar-free diet plan, and after 7 days you will feel much lighter, have less bloating, and you will also have a clear and glowing skin. The oil I'm using in the recipes are unrefined coconut oil and desi ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. Include 30 to 40 minutes of exercise and stock up some fresh fruits as you will be snacking on them. Start your day with cinnamon tea. Cinnamon helps to burn stomach fat and also helps to boost your metabolism. I have already shared cinnamon tea recipe. Links will be updated in the description box below. After 30 minutes, have your breakfast. For breakfast, I'm serving easy and instant ragi chilla. This spicy and filling ragi chilla will keep you fuller till your next meal. I have already shared the recipe. Links will be updated below this video. Instead of ragi chilla, you can also have soft ragi roti. Remember to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. You can have my infused water or Kerala's herbal pink water, which is antioxidant rich, and the links will be updated in the description box below. As a mid-morning snack, have 2 small apples or 1 medium apple or any seasonal fruit of your choice. For lunch, have paneer burji with 1 whole wheat roti. This high protein meal will keep you satiated for long. Do not forget to drizzle little desi ghee on the roti, as desi ghee will help to assimilate the vitamins, especially the natural iodine in carrot. Carrots are iodine rich, and along with vitamin A, they're really good for your thyroid health. Ghee helps in the assimilation of vitamins faster into your body, and along with weight loss, ghee helps to keep you feel fuller, improves your mood, balances your hormones. So those with thyroid and PCOS issues should include desi ghee in your diet, and you will also notice that your digestion improves, your bloating reduces, and you will also have a clear and glowing skin. Please do check my videos on ghee to understand more. Some of you asked for suggestions to curb sugar cravings, and for that you can make a mix with ghee and jaggery and keep it aside. Just mix equal quantity of ghee and jaggery, that is, for example, mix 2 tablespoon ghee and 2 tablespoon grated jaggery, mix well and keep aside. You can store it in an airtight glass container. After lunch and dinner, have 1 teaspoon of this mix. It will help to curb your sugar cravings and also gives you more energy. As an evening snack, have a small katori of roasted makhanas or murmura chivida. Now, if you have the habit of having milk tea or coffee, you can have milk tea or coffee but without sugar. And if you badly need some sweetness in your milk tea, you can add in little jaggery, but no refined sugar. It's highly recommended that you have dinner by at least 7 p.m. Since we had a filling breakfast and lunch with healthy fats, it is best to avoid rice and roti for dinner. So for dinner, I'm serving a bowl of vegetable soup. This vegetable soup is a filling soup made with seasonal vegetables, and it will also keep you feel fuller for a longer time. And along with it, you can also include some seasonal fruits like papaya, pineapple or pomegranate. Now, if you feel hungry or feel a dip in your energy levels, then you can have any of these energy balls or energy bites, but try to limit to 2. And yes, you can have these energy bites or laddus any time of the day. Links will be updated in the description box below the video. A good night's sleep is an important part of this diet plan, and you need to sleep by at least 10:30. And as a bedtime drink, have my ginger water. You can prepare this and keep by around 9:30-10 p.m. and have it before you sleep. This amazing fat burning drink will boost your metabolism while you sleep. Some of you wanted other options for ginger water, so the other options are my turmeric tea, or you can have a glass of water with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, but make sure that you use apple cider vinegar which has the mother, as the mother is actually a healthy bacteria which has many health benefits.